Today I have a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, and I'm going to be replacing the lift struts that hold up the rear hatch, and we're going to show you how to do that. Almost all gas struts, like the ones that hold up your hatches, have this little clip on them. And if you get a screwdriver up under them and you pry it out like this, pull it out about 1/4 of an inch, it will release the ball underneath it and you'll be able to pull that out. Do this side the same. These just push in. Like that. There we go. Very good.
Perfect.